be showing you how to install Facebook pixel on your site. Possibly this can work for your website, your landing pages, and also for your website. So to set up you to target and know more people, not number of users that visit your site. So it's so easy. Make sure you are logged in on your Facebook page, and if you are yet to open Facebook business for your particular ad activities, or what you need to do is just go to business.facebook.com, and there you have it. If you are just opening business Facebook page for the first time, it still want you to create an account where it will ask for major details on your website, email, your website, your name of organization, and address, and it will send a verification email for you to just confirm. So yeah, this is done. So when you bring it to your business manager page, you click go to settings, and while that is loading, okay, yeah, you move to the left side, you click on data sources. This is pixel here. You tap on your pixel. Then this business management doesn't have any pixel yet. Sometimes you could create more, 2, 3 more pixel for separate event for separate website under the same manager. This page they don't have it. Possibly if you have it, you actually see it here at the side where you have several pixel created, but you're still going to see your ad icon. So you click on icon, and okay, this is like a pre-credit pixel. Okay, for this class, you just say, let me just say tutorial pixel, tutorial site, or different name just for you to know. Check your website for easy setup options. Yeah, they can do that by just clicking continue, and all right. So are you ready to set up your pixel? Continue managing my business. You can set it up later, but we want to just show you how to set it up. Set up your pixel. Then it gives you two ways, several ways. You can add code to using a partner integration, or you can manually add pixel code to your website. So for example, if you have a landing page, it might require you use add pixel code to your site. If you click on this, it's going to bring the code. You can copy. This is it. You just copy the code to the site, and you want to paste it on the header section of your site. This is just one option. So let me just show you my site here. This is my dashboard here, and possibly if I want to go to the header section of my site, that'll be from my appearances to my theme. Is this the right place? No. All right, the theme editor. But for WordPress, it's not always advised you do this. If you are not a fast person in the use of HTML, so I don't advise you to do this, because a tab or an edit on editor might be an error on your full site. So, but for those who have a landing page where there's a place to put a piece of code, the best way is just copy this code. Those who have a blogger, you need to put it at a particular place. You can just do this. All right, so let me show you the second option. You can add code using a partner integration. This actually works for WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, and a whole lot of options. You can also email instructions to the developer. So I will advise this, and you have a whole lot of sites you're working with. So just let me show you what it's going to look like when you click on WordPress. Okay, good. So how does it work here? You select which feature you like to include in your WordPress integration. You want to do advanced matching? Yes. Let's have that API send web event directly from WordPress server to your PC. This lets you capture more events. You can pick these two and create your access token. So what I'm showing this is that, okay, it's that this required a Facebook app, required deselect your because you pick your server-side API. So the best way, you can close this, uncheck this. This is your advanced matching. You know what we want to do is install on your WordPress site and several other platforms that you had. So click on your continue. So this integration is supported for WordPress version 4.4 and above, which is good. All what you need to do is just you have to download your plugin. So you click on download for you to be able to download the plugin. So which is a good one. If you click on continue here, it's telling you to go to your dashboard, and it's simple as that. So for example, this is my WordPress dashboard. I need to install the plugin that is here. I just go to my plugins, I click on add new. I'm not going to do that on my WordPress because I already have a Facebook pixel installed on my plugins. So back to the business page, it's saying to click on your add new. You click on continue here. You have to upload the plugin, which is a good one. And after you're done, you will activate the plugin, which is this. Then you're able to review settings. So let me show you. The site is a bit slow. It's there, and easily you can follow the whole process. Okay. Firstly, let me show you that I have some install plugins here. Okay, if I want to upload the plugins, I just click on my upload here, then upload that plugins and activate it. But let me show you that plugin is here on my system. So let me click on install plugins and look for Facebook Pixel. If it's not there, then this tutorial might help to show you, but it's that simple as possible. Remember, don't try to post or paste that code onto your theme editor. It's not advisable except you are familiar with the right HTML. If not, don't do it. Just follow the simple and easier process for your site. Okay, the site is a bit low, so let me try to check it here. Sorry for that spelling. Okay, let's see if it's here or not. So let's just go pizza here, and okay, I have a Facebook pizza installed on my system, and just to show you, so it's there on my home website. It was a plugin that was installed, and here you have it. So let me take you back to the business page. Very easy. After you activate your plugin, it show you a full manual. You're going to install your pixel ID. Everything comes back with this. So what's it showing you on your home site here? When you are putting on your settings, it gives you your pixel ID. It told you advanced management should be enabled, your server here not to be enabled, which is here, and your access token, it told you to put it on none, and then you are good. So when you have done that correctly on your WordPress site or any other site, you will come here to type that website here and check if it's verified or if it is working. Alright, so this is my home pixel settings. Can you see my pixel ID is here? I've enabled advanced matching, and that is all. I click on save change, and it was so cool that, which is the easiest way, just to show you that I have it on my site. I click, but this may not work because the pixel might be so different, and those might be working. So you can give it a try. Get back to me if you have any challenge. Yeah, and after you're done with this, you can set up events and do more of confirmation on your website. So this is just a quick one, how to set up Facebook pixel for your website and for every other landing page. Let me know if you get this right and accurately. Feel free to drop information on the comment. Ask me question. I'm willing to hear your comment and respond accurately to your